Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find all the linked accounts on your iPhone. Now, whether you wanted to find all of the devices that are linked to your iPhone or your Apple ID, or you wanted to find all of the other accounts that are maybe signed into your iPhone, I'll show you how to find all of them and how to remove them or log out if you choose to do so. So let's jump right in. First, tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your name at the top and scroll down. You can see at the bottom will be the linked devices that are also signed into your Apple account. In my case, I have this iPhone and my MacBook Pro. If I tap on any of these devices, I can scroll to the bottom and choose to remove from account. This is helpful if you've sold an old iPad or Mac computer or AirPods or anything like that. You probably want to remove it from your Apple ID account. Next, let's find them in other places by tapping the back arrow at the top left. And then we're going to tap on Sign In with Apple. You'll be able to see here it says sign in with Apple is fast and easy, essentially using your Apple account to sign in to all of these linked accounts. On any of these, if you wanted to remove them, you can tap on it and then tap on the delete button and hit stop using. Now, those are a couple different ways. Let's also check all of the accounts that are in your calendar, your mail, etc. Tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap the back arrow again, and then scroll to the bottom. Tap on Apps at the bottom, and then scroll down until you find Mail on this list. Tap on Mail. Tap on Mail Accounts at the top. This will show you all of the accounts that are linked to your account. You can see in any of these, I can tap on it and see if the email, contacts, calendars, and notes are synced up with my iPhone. If you wanted to remove any of these, you can either just toggle off one of those if you want to delete that specific service, or just tap on Delete Account and then choose delete from my iPhone. Keep in mind, for email clients, you'll still have all of those emails on Gmail or Yahoo, wherever. They just won't be on your iPhone anymore. Let's check another place as well for linked accounts. Tap on the back arrow at the top left. Tap on the back arrow again. Tap on the back arrow yet again. Tap on the back arrow again. And now from here, let's scroll up. Tap on General, scroll down, tap on VPN and Device Management. Whether you have a VPN profile or a device management profile, it will be in here. You can choose to tap on it and delete it if you don't want that device management profile on there. Sometimes these are added by companies or schools onto your iPhone, or you can also turn off a VPN just by tapping on it. You'll see that VPN in there and you can tap on delete. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.